talk us a little bit about the uniqueness of health and safety in retail, and how has Briscoe's tackled them?
Sure. I guess my starting point would be that retail is not an inherently unsafe sector in which to work. It's not like logging and forestry. It's not like deep sea fishing. You know, the fatalities in retail are relatively small, but fatalities are pretty darn serious. I love the focus that WorkSafe as the regulator have put on, you know, trying to prevent deaths. That's great. And I'm sure that they have an equally significant focus around, you know, while injuring or killing a few people is bad, injuring a lot of people a little must also be bad. So, you know, that's the opportunity space that we work in.
Right.
From a traffic management perspective, that is probably our highest risk area. We have forklifts, we have truck movement. When we have people collecting trolleys, we have customer cars and other vehicles. So we've put a particular focus around traffic management and doing work in that space, and we're making some great progress in that area. A lot of that, as you would appreciate, is with other retailers, because we are often not the only retailer in a particular area. So we have a shared accountability to make sure that we all keep our teams safe. So that's been one area that we've focused on. Manual handling's a significant one. So we move a lot of product. Sometimes it's bulky, so more difficult or awkward to handle. Sometimes it's heavy. Sometimes it might be light, but there might be a lot of it. So again, it's the cumulative impact. And in some cases, it's the repetitive hand or other activities that are required to move stock through our supply chains. So manual handling's been a significant focus. We did quite a bit of research in that area, identified a program that we're really excited by. We've piloted that. I'm going to be the first to say that we haven't landed what the best way of implementing and keeping that alive in our businesses yet, but we're really committed to doing our part to minimise or eliminate manual handling injury in our business, and that's a really exciting opportunity when we get to accomplish that goal. The bit that's probably more prevalent and certainly more public these days is around mental health issues, particularly you may have seen in the media recently out of Australia concerns around both in retail and typically hospitality, the risk of customer abuse and the impact of customer abuse. So we're certainly mindful of that and making sure that we provide a safe working environment for our team, not just our customers, and ensuring that we're doing all of the right things in that space. So that's probably a good example of how our focus has moved to incorporate something new while not losing touch with the other things that are equally important in our business.